now we're going to load up the boat. Go down there and see if we can get that dock. Okay, I'll see you down there. Well, here we are. That's what I got to fix today. I got to take that out of the water. I'm not looking forward to this because I'm afraid of water, but let's see if we can do this. All right, well, we got the dock up there. Had to get in the pool to keep from passing out. It's so hot, sweating, and point of heat exhaustion. So we're gonna wait and do the rest tomorrow. But it was a success, and the heat was more of an issue than being afraid of the water. Out there paddling and everything, I was on the verge of passing out the whole time. Having on that life preserver, so hot and so humid. But we're gonna do the rest tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. See you tomorrow. Bye. Up there's where it went all the way up there, up that hill. So so it went way up here, filled this whole area with water. When it runs like that, I stay way away from it because I'm scared of it, because it just runs through here. So that's where we're at. So I'm gonna take my dock, and you have to pardon this weird looking hat. It's 90 degrees out here. But I am gonna take my dock, and as you've seen in the other videos, my dock got destroyed because of all the water we got. We got 3.5 inches in less than an hour, and no matter where you're at, that can cause localized flooding. But so I decided to instead of redoing it, we didn't use it a whole lot. Like I said, I'm afraid of water, so I spent most of my time on the on-ramp, because you got out there and it was moving all around all the time, and yeah, I almost drowned when I was a kid, so it's kind of messed me up, for life. But anyways, so I'm going to repurpose it. I'm gonna bring it up here, make a bridge out of it, and see if I can make it up higher in the air. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, this here, I put down these boards here, but I put one too many on this side. I'm missing one on the other side, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these up and space them out a little bit further apart so I can get my board back to put on that side. So let's get going on that. Well, here's the finished product. I was able to use it. I thought these were 3 feet wide, and I was gonna make a 6 foot wide and split the boards, but they ended up being 4 foot wide. So I decided to just use the ramps as they were. Otherwise, I could have saved myself a lot of time dismantling that and putting it back together. But I'm happy with the way it turned out. Well, there's the finished product. You can see it's a lot higher than the other one. And I'm real happy with the way it turned out. Yeah, the water got way up here. I got 2 runoffs that empty in the same spot here, and when we get a real downpour. We got a total of 5 inches of rain that day. 5 inches of rain in one day. So you get 5 inches of rain in one day, it can cause a lot of problems. But hopefully I solved this problem. All right, now I'm gonna go out of my garden and I'm gonna pick some produce, vegetables and stuff. Alrighty, Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.